The whole world is connected like never before. Have you wondered how it is possible on the internet? The credit goes to APIs. Hi, my name is Sandeep. Welcome to Knowledge Exchange. The topic of today's discussion is API. Firstly, I will talk about graphical user interface and then I'll talk about APIs, application programming interface, which I call it by the programmer for the programmer. Let's take a very famous example of travel, right? You go to phone, you access various mobile apps, various sites on the browser. All that experience comes under the category of user interface. Now you go to travel site, you put your information like source, destination, number of travelers, the date you want to travel, whether it is a one way or it's a round trip, and you submit the information. Now the site shows you the aggregated results from various airlines around the availability. Have you wondered how it is possible? This has been possible through APIs. So APIs are written by the programmer, in this particular case by the airline programmers. They write or specify the APIs, and then the programmer of the travel site call that particular computing interface, pass the desired request and get the desired result. And that's all about the APIs. Now what you will be wondering, okay, what do you achieve out of it? There are n number of things you get out of it. One, you don't need to get into the system complexity, right? Everything is hidden from you. You have the well defined interface, you access that interface and get the results. Secondly, it's pretty easy to define the authorization around the APIs. Once you have the interface, you build up a mechanism of how a person or particular site can register to get access to your API, and the list goes on, right? And that's where n number of systems in the world have been connected on the internet through the APIs. Now, if we go by the wiki definition, it also says the same things. You have n number of systems which are connected to this application programming interface. This interface has very well defined contract in terms of the what the interface to be called for, what kind of request has to be passed on, what kind of response can you expect, what should be the authorization keys, and other stuff along with this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.